What's up, YouTube? It's Trey, and I have unboxing for you, but they're mechanical pencils. So let's get down to business. Right, these are some Toll pencils. My first time having them, so don't look at me to know what they do, because I don't know. So first of all, it comes with two pencils. So they're pretty heavy, if you ask me. Hopefully, I hope they work for it. I don't know where my grandmother got them from. She just gave them to me. So there you have it. Toll mechanical pencil. So it's Trey mechanical pencil unboxing. Toll. Yeah, so I'm out, guys, and hopefully I'll come back with more videos for you guys, and peace.